Yes, yes, yes. We are live. So I'm back in the building. Actually went live what is it? A couple of hours ago. So right now we are going to look over some charts. And hey, what's going on? You said why? What do you mean why? So if you are basically new to my channel, if you're watching the replay, my name is Big Ben, and basically I specialize in watching. I specialize in trading the charts. So I'm a full-time trader. I trade Monday through Friday. I invest full-time. So this is what I do on my channel. Basically, I show people how to look at the charts and trade patterns and make money. So if you are interested in, just learning how to make money with the charts, then definitely this channel is for you. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. And if you're watching a replay, sometimes these streams are an hour or so. You can actually go to YouTube, go to the settings, and you can speed up the video, 1.25, 1.5, or 2. And instead of watching an hour video, you can speed it up, and the hour video turns into like a half an hour. So you can do that. So I welcome everybody to the channel, and you definitely want to check this out, subscribe, and make sure you sit back and enjoy. Let's go to the chat. Let's see who's in the chat. What's going on? Mason, what's going on? Dom, of course, you're first. Eric, Corey, Leslie, Cupcake, what's going on? Cupcake, what laptop you bought? What kind of laptop you bought? Mac or was it Windows? Glenn, what's going on? Glenn, what's up, Tony? So Tony said he made a quick 400 this morning from TRX early pump due to your course. Thanks a lot. That's what's up, man. Tony making money. So you have an HP. So all right. So okay, Windows. So it's easy. Did you check Cupcake, did you check the your email? I sent you a link to download like WinRAR. And once you download WinRAR, you can actually unpack it and download the files. Like Tech R said, and you can get that free. If you have any problems, just email me. Okay, Cupcake, if you have any problems, email me. I will send you the link, and I will set you all up. Okay, cool. So let's get this party started. And I was looking through this, and basically John McAfee said he said due to SEC threats, I'm no longer looking at I'm no longer working with ICOs, nor I'm recommending them. And he said those ICOs and those doing ICOs can look forward to arrest. So basically, he's saying that he's not touching the ICOs, and he said that the SEC is pretty much just cracking down. And this is what I was basically saying earlier. The 5 reasons why the market will continue to go down. And the second one is this: bad altcoins, right? A lot of these ICOs are bad. A lot of these coins on coin market cap are bad, and the SEC is going to crack down. And a lot of these coins are going to go bye-bye. And in order for them to go bye-bye, the market has to continue to go down too. So basically, he knows the deal. John McAfee knows the deal. That's why he said he's not dealing with no more ICOs. He knows the deal. You know, this is a guy that's well known in the industry, and he knows the deal. He knows that the SEC is cracking down, so he don't want no parts of the ICO world. So basically, that's why I said in my 5 reasons why I believe the market will continue down is this. There's a lot of stuff behind the scenes that we don't know, but it's gonna come out to the public soon enough. You know, so right now Bitcoin is trying to act like it's showing life, but at the end of the day, we all know that the volume is so low that there's no real buyers coming in. So let's go to the chat and see what's going on. So Crypto Man, what's going on? Crypto Man, Businessman, Dom, what's going on? BCC looking weak. Ken, what's going on? He said Ken finally. Oh, so Ken, you never came to my live stream before? Steve, BTC still looking weak. We will break 7,100. Yeah, it's a possibility you could go to 71. Okay, this is your first. Okay, I thought you came here before, Ken. My fault. Travis made it. What's going on, Travis? Jason, what's going on? So can we go to the 7,100? Yes, it's a possibility. We can bounce up. And we could test this, we just call this trend line right here, and we'll see what's going to happen after that. Will it bounce up all the way to test this trend line? I don't know. I don't see it going all the way up to 8,000 again. I mean, it can do it, but I just, it's not really too many buyers right now. But you know, anything's a possibility. So we'll see. We'll see. Nice to be here. Yeah. Nice to see you. Nice to see you, Ken. So Troy said, I seriously believe it's going to drop at least one more time. Yeah, of course. I believe so too. But they right now they want to probably trap a couple of people first, because right now we at support. So bouncing at this area is, I'm not surprised that we bounced around this area, because the market is going up. It pulled back, it went up, so we hitting this swing right here. So as soon as it broke a low, broke below this swing, we find a little support right here. So a little bounce right here is not, doesn't surprise me at all. But you can tell overall, you can tell that the market is weak. So honestly, I'm looking for to go short again. I'm just trying to figure out, I want to see what's going to happen a couple of more days from now. But anybody in the chat? Anybody in the chat is looking to go short? Is anybody in the chat looking to go short? Hanson, I cannot find a link to the course. What do you mean you can't find a link? You talking about, did you buy the course yet, Hanson? Did you buy the course yet? That's what you're talking about? So businessman, are you looking to go short? Steve, you can look. So all your guys looking to go short? Steve, Rajo, Dom. Yep. Waiting for the right dump off. Okay, cool. Cool. So I guess I'm not the only one. That's looking to go short. Body says still processing. So let me see the link. Somebody said Hanson. What link are you talking about, Hanson? Okay. So Ken, you say you don't know how to go short yet. Yeah, once you go through the course, you'll find out. Ken, you said you're looking for the link. So are you waiting for the discount, Hanson, or what? Because I don't know what you're talking about. So you said you're looking for the link to buy it, but I did find it now. Are you looking for the discount too, or what? But anyway, Dom said, "Can I pay the course via PayPal?" Yes, Dom. Yeah. When do you, Dom? You said you're ready today, or what? Can you short using tether? I don't know. So I guess I'm not the only one that's looking to go short soon. So I want to, like I said, I want to see what's going on with Bitcoin. A couple more days. Let's see how this bad boy, reacts to this support levels and stuff. Because like I said, overall, this market is so weak, so weak. I know a lot of people are liking this bounce, and it's understandable because a lot of people don't understand what's going on. So of course they're gonna say, yes, this is it. This is the bounce. This is what we have been waiting for. Finally, now we can go back to 20K. You know. Okay, no problem. Yeah, so Dom, yeah, it's the course is, once you go to the link course, you can actually buy it. When you go to the link has an option for PayPal. Okay. So Hanson, you still the yes. So Hanson wants to you guys keep on bringing up the course. So let me just get this out of the way. I don't have no sponsors, so I basically sponsor myself. So if you want to get this course, I'm going to have a 50% discount on my live stream. You know I always do. Hanson is asking me about this course, so let me get this over with. So whoever wants this, now you have the 50% discount. So basically, if you are new to my channel, the reason why you want to get this is because I'm showing you how to make money in the bear market and the bull market. If you look at the chart, if you look at BTC, we have been bearish ever since January, right? Ever since January, the market pretty much have been going down. So the people that's buying and holding right now, that strategy is not working this year. The buy and hold guys, the strategy is not working this year. We're about to hit July, so that's 7 months in. And for 7 months, the guys that's been buying and holding have not been making money. Last week, when the market was going down, I made $15,000. And basically, I used the patterns that's in this course. So if you are interested in knowing how to make money now, and when the market's going down, definitely check out this course. And number two, this course is you supporting the channel, and at the same time you're supporting the channel, you could actually put money in your pocket. So check that out. If you have a 9 to 5, you can still trade. A swing trade, hold these for a week or two, and if you are living in the United States, you can still short. So I'm gonna put the link in the chat box, get that out of the way. Now back to the chat room, and let's go back to the charts. So so somebody said, what about Tron? I will get to it. So Hanson, I gave you the link. All right, Hanson, I just put the link in there. Okay, so so businessman, you said it was a nice bounce. You looking for that? So businessman, you looking for that short, right? So Court W says, shout out to Big Ben, bought the course, hands down. This information I needed. Thanks a lot, Court Court W bought my course, and he's glad that he bought it, and basically now he's going to benefit from it. So he said, is this time to consolidate? Is this the time to consolidate assets or to tether? What do you mean? Because you talking about get out your crypto? The thing about tether is, do you really trust tether? You know, that's my thing is like, do you really trust tether? Matter of fact, let me ask the people in the chat room, guys, do you trust tether? Do you think tether's a scam? Do you think it's going to go down under? You know, what do you think? Because I'm hearing a lot of stories with tether, and I don't know if this thing is going to go under. So if this thing go under, man, this market will just probably gonna look ugly. So Kelly, good. So people saying stay away. No, I don't trust it. A lot of people saying they don't trust it. So the Corey said the news that dropped the other day wasn't good. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Cupcake said I don't trust it. Josh said I only use tether short term, no more than 1 day. So that's your answer, Court W. That's your answer. Most people in this chat room don't really trust tether, and I don't trust it either. I don't trust it either. I think one of these days, man, this thing might just go belly up and go bye-bye. So you said what about what? So MK said I think it's going under as the price drop. I heard that under investigation as well. Got to see. Yeah, no, I heard that. I heard that too. MK. I heard these guys. Basically, they you know, they looking into what these guys is doing behind the scenes, and if they go down, man, it's gonna be ugly. Okay, so dead count bounce, and you know, just finding support. We pulling back. That's all. It's a regular pullback. That's all you see in the chart. It's a regular pullback. You know, it just has a lot of. We have a lot of resistance right here. We have a resistance at this level right here. Right here, and then we have resistance at this level. So they fighting a lot of resistance, and according to the volume, I don't know if we can actually break those resistance. So it is what it is. Anyway, David, do you take crypto for your course? I only see PayPal. David, email me. David, here's my email address, and once you email me, I will give you the instructions on the crypto, how to pay with, you know, for the crypto. So Hanson said paid. Oh, thanks a lot, Hanson. Thanks for supporting the channel. I appreciate it, man. You don't understand. I appreciate it. Ken said he paid in Bitcoin. Yes. So yeah, hit me up via email, and I will see you the instructions. But David, it has to be as soon as I get off the live stream. So don't expect an email right now. As soon as I get off the live stream, I will email you, David. Okay, so back to the charts. Somebody said Tron, so let's look at Tron real quick. Now Tron had a bounce today. I didn't even notice that bounce actually, because I was day trading the crude oil today, so I wasn't really paying attention to Tron. But Tron had this nice little pop. Can we hold this pop? You know, it's a possibility. Depending on what Bitcoin is doing. If Bitcoin is going to make another move up, you might see Tron go up a little bit more. But do I expect Tron to make new highs and all that stuff? Not really. Not really. Not really. So I mean, we have this. We can draw this right here. So if Tron goes up, it probably could hit this trend line right here. Let me adjust it a little bit better, and maybe show some resistance right here. But other than that, will it even go up this high? You know, that's iffy. It's real iffy, but it's a possibility. It's a possibility that it can actually go this high. But you might find resistance right here. So it all depends on what Bitcoin is trying to do, because Bitcoin right now is actually looking a little sneaky. It's trying to be a little sneaky right now, trying to pop up maybe a little bit. But like I said, we have a resistance right here, resistance right there. Be honest with you, I don't know. I don't see it going to 8,000 right now. Before, because I believe it will dump, and before Bitcoin, you know, before, if it goes down, I can't see it going to 8,000 before it goes down. That's if it goes down, because I don't like to say, you know, things like absolutes and stuff, but for the most part, the trend is down. This bad boy looks like it's going down. So, you know, I'm like 90% sure it will go down. But at the same time, I can't really see it go to 8,000 before it goes down. I don't know. I just can't see it. It's too much resistance right here, right here. You know, the highest maybe 75-ish, maybe. But they do have to trap a couple of people. You know. I just can't wait till this thing slams down. So I guess I'm not the only one that's looking to go short, because I saw a couple of people saying they looking to go short too. Because once we go short and once we start to slam, this is going to we're going to break this low and most likely hit the 55, 54. We might have a bounce back to the breakout, you know. So we'll see. We'll see. So let's see what's going on with Litecoin. I mean, all these things look bearish, man. Like, it's ridiculous. Litecoin is at $98. We have the trend line right here, so it's a possibility Litecoin could hit this back of this trend line and continue to go back down. So we'll see. You know, the market, if you notice, man, the market is so slow. Let's look at the percentage wise. Like, okay, so Ethereum's up 3%, Ripple 1%, Bitcoin Cash 1%. Like, look at these percentages. Tron 8%. You know, it's crazy, because if you are used to cryptocurrencies, you're not used to these percentages, right? 1%. No, you're not used to 1%, 2%. Used to 20%, 30%, 40%. Shoot. So, you know, the market is pretty much like slow, man. It's ridiculous. So they dragging this stuff out. So, but I think the market will speed up when we have that big drop. Allegedly, we'll have that big drop, you know. So, let's go to the chat and see what's going on here. Paul, what's going on, Paul? What's going on, Peter? How you doing? Michael said, could the volume be low because the people are not trading before the 27th? What's on the 27th? The meeting? Michael, what's on the 27th? That the meeting? Um, well, it's up to you. You can you can you can go right back to fiat. That's what I do sometimes. I go back to fiat. Dom, Bitcoin has always been sneaky, of course. Hey, what's going on, Keith? Yes, I understand. I understand, Keith. Good to see you, you know, in action, taking action. Oh, so Peter said, "Hey, hi Ben, it's your favorite howler, Peter." Peter, is the same Peter that not 9 to 5 Peter, right? Yeah, what's going on, Peter? I'm glad to see you on the stream, Peter. So somebody said they looking to buy Tron. LTC had a weird bounce, 120 today, then right back down to 98. Yeah, yes, Michelle. Uh, let's see that LTC again. So yeah, so it had a bounce, and then we went right back down. Yep. So it rejected something. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see if we see anything. So yeah, it tried to make a new high and is, you know, rejecting that high. So we'll see. We'll see if this thing can actually, you know, continue to go up or what. But sellers came in, definitely came in. Expose, what's going on, Expose? Crypto man, what's going on? So Giorgio said trading, what's the best site for trading forex? What do you mean? You trade, you want to trade forex or you want to trade crypto? You can trade forex with the jeffx.com too. Let's see. I'm reading the chat, guys, so let's see what's going on. I saw that you said you thought it was a glitch, that 120 spike. So someone asked me, is the volume low because of the 27th? Right? No, I don't think that's why the volume is low. The volume has been low, you know, for a long time. It's just that the big dogs is not really interested in doing anything right now with the market. They looking to bring back the market. They looking to bring the market down. So far, this whole year they've been bringing the market down. They are looking to trap a lot of people before they go down because that's what the market does, right? So they want to trap people before they go back down. So that's why you see this range right here where the market's not really going nowhere. If you notice, ever since February, the market has been in this range, not really going anywhere, right? We never passed this low right here. So they're trapping a lot of people. They want to collect some money first before they go down, because I believe we are going to continue to go down. This market is weak. There's no really any real buyers, and just like John McAfee said, the SEC is basically sending him threats because they know he knows the deal. He knows that the SEC is going to come in. They're going to shut a lot of these guys down, and he don't want no parts of that. So while he's shutting these guys down, the market it has to go down, because if it doesn't, those guys will survive. So the market has to squeeze those guys out and continue to go down. But while we are going down, they are tricking people. So they're doing these little pumps, pulling back, little pumps again, pulling back, pumps. So all this is trap. All this is them collecting your money right here. They're collecting your money just to go back down again, in my opinion. Let's go to the chat. Crypto investing, what's going on? I use Coinbase for right now. Hanson. You can use Coinbase, you can use GDAX. Yep. Yeah, what's going on, Peter? Don't worry, Peter. I'm not gonna call you out today, Peter. It's good to see you on the chat though. Crypto Man said, I quit my job and now I trade on my own with my own company. Ben is not lying. From, you know, he said brainwashing and investing your time and your money. So Crypto Man, that's good. I'm glad that you was able to quit your job and, you know, trade and own your own company now. I'm glad. A lot of people are trying to get to your level, Crypto Man, and that's a very good thing. And that's what I try to, like I said, my channel is deeper than crypto. It's not just about crypto. It's also about trying to motivate you guys and inspire you guys to try to take things to the next level, right? Work for yourself, because believe it or not, you know, when you turn 60 years old, you're going to say, man, time went by quick, you know, and then you're going to say, so what did I do? Like my whole life, I didn't really do anything except for work for the man. So you should try to at least give it a try, you know, at least have something going on the side while you're working. Because to me, the name of the game is building cash flow. So let's say that you want to keep your job. Okay, fine, right? I can't force nobody to leave their job, but at least try to figure out how to make more income, monthly income coming in. Because once you can increase your cash flow, your life, I'm telling you, your life will be much better. You don't have to worry so much. And to me, I think the ultimate goal is to quit your 9-to-5. That's just my opinion. You know, I know some people are comfortable with their job. It is what it is. I'm not forcing nobody to, you know, if they don't want to quit their job. But I think the way to go is self-employment. So Tony said, just bought your course. Thanks for the discount. No, thank you, Tony. Thanks a lot, Tony. I appreciate it. So Tony just bought the course, and a lot of people that on his chat, they got this course. So if you are new, just coming in, it's a discount on this course, 110, 50% discount, only on this live stream though. So when I end this live stream, it's go right back to 210. If you want to take advantage of that, take advantage of it now, because when I leave this live stream, trust me, this thing will go right back up. I just paste the link to the chat box, and you can check it out. Basically, it will show you how to make money when the market's going up or down. So you can make money now, not tomorrow, not next week, but now. So let's get back to the chat. Giorgio, Ben, I need more info. Can I email you? Of course, email me. Let me put my email address. Um, I just put my let me see. I just put my email address, Giorgio. So go ahead. All right. So let me see. So Litecoin is horrible. Charlie sold all his coins at the peak. So let's repeat that, right? Drew said LTC is horrible. Like Charlie Lee sold all his coins at the peak. So let's think about that for a second. Did Charlie Lee, did he know, or did he knew, like, did he have some inside information about something? And the reason why he sold all his coins is because he knew this market was going to go down. And I talked about this before in my live streams, that these are the 5 reasons why I believe the market will continue to go down. And what my 4th reason is, the rich are working together, right? So believe it or not, the rich, they work together. They understand what's going on. They understand what's going on behind the scenes. So it's a possibility that Charlie Lee knew something was going to happen. So I mean, of course, he's going to give you another excuse. He's going to say something that that's going to sound nice, but it's a possibility that he knew the market will continue to go down. Let's go back to the chat. Tony, again, thanks for your support, Tony. You just bought my course, so thanks a lot for your support. Let's go. What's going on, Leslie? Peter said, likewise, buddy. I enjoy listening to you. Almost made me sell my TRX today, but buy in later. But then again, changed my mind. I hear you, man. Exactly. Someday, if I'm making money because of Ben course, I will personally travel to New York and party with you, Ben. Oh man, Dom. I don't live in New York right now though. I moved a couple of years ago. Keith, Keith said, Dom, you will make money. Yup, Ken, you're right. I moved out of New York. I've been living in New York all my life, and I moved 2 years ago with no regrets. I love Florida, and I love the palm trees, the sun. I can't really deal with the snow like that, man. I really can't. So Crypto Man, I thought you was for Baltimore. I hear you, man. So Leslie, you said you're negative with Tron right now. Leslie, what price did you buy Tron at? Leslie, you down on Tron? What price do you bought Tron right now, Leslie? Because right now Tron is hitting support, so having this little bounce, it doesn't really surprise me at all because it hits the support. It's the same level that we had resistance at. If you have been following my videos before I was doing live streams, I had this resistance line. If you know anything about support and resistance, when the market comes back to these resistance lines, it is a strong possibility that these resistance lines will turn into support. So that's what you're seeing. You're seeing that this line right here, the price is reacting to this line, and that's why you're seeing price goes up. So like I told you guys, like this is not when I talk about TA, a lot of people think it's just BS, but Trust me, it's not. This stuff happens over and over and over again. I wouldn't be able to do it full time if it was BS. Let's see. So Ken, I'm from CT, originally moved to NC. I hate the cold. Yeah, man, I hate the cold too, man. Man, I hate that cold, man. Sheesh. Jason says the gate is Crypto Man Tampa. What's going on, Crypto Man? So Leslie, you live 2 hours away from New York? That's what's up. What's going on, Sandy? Mr. Sandy, what's popping? Yeah, I'm definitely going to keep bringing the info, man. Definitely going to keep bringing the info. Yeah, it popped up. But Tron, even though it popped up, you know, the market is still weak, so you can't get, you know, too excited. And for you guys that's new to my channel, just because I'm talking about shorting the market doesn't mean I'm a you know, a bull. I mean a bear. I just go along with the market. So if the market if the major trend is down, I'm looking to make money when the market is going down. I love crypto just like you love crypto. So don't think I'm hating on crypto. So so for the people that don't really understand, you know, how to short or why I'm shorting or why my subscribers are shorting, it's because it's simple. We are here to make money. It's just that simple. That simple. The people that been, you know, howling for since January, they have been losing money. This is June is about to. I'm sorry, July. I'm sorry, July is coming soon. So that's 7 months. The people that have been buying and holding really has been losing a lot of money. So we don't like to sit and wait and pray and hope that the market is going to reverse, because the market could be like this another year or two. I'm not talking that because I want to talk like that. I'm talking because if you look at Bitcoin history in 2013, when we had that bear market, it took 2 years before the market, you know, recovered and started to reverse. So this could be another situation where the market takes another 2 years to recover, and you know, we see another bull market. So until then, we have to make money. I do this full time, so I can't sit here and watch things not go my way. I have to go with the major trend. The major trend now is down. Lower lows ever since February couldn't pass 12,000, so it's just bearish, just what it is. And I hate going against reality. If reality is telling me that this is what it is, I listen to reality, and that's what I do. So imagine me trying to go against reality when we had this bull run, right? So imagine me saying, I want to short this market. I hate cryptos. I want to short this thing. And I'm shorting it, and I'm seeing my money disappear. I'm shorting it, my money is disappearing, right? So that's because if I'm shorting this and I'm losing money, it's because I'm going against reality. I never want to go against reality when I'm trading the markets. I have to go with reality because that's how I make money. I do this full time, so I have to pay bills. I have to do a lot of stuff. I want to travel, so I have to make money. So right now, ever since January, we've been making low lows. We haven't, ever since February, we haven't seen 12,000, 16,000, 17,000. We try to go to 10,000. And I think May, and then the market can reverse. So this thing is weak. Look at the volume, weak. 4 billion, that's weak. So I'm a reality guy, and you have to understand that I just don't, do things because I'm stuck in one way. I don't fall in love with one direction. I fall in love with where's the money. If the money's going down, then guess what? I'm going along with the market. So that's what I do. So let's go to the chat. Glenn, what's going on, Glenn? So Glenn said, I will dig into the course after the live stream. Yes, please. Study, study, study. It's all about studying, Glenn. So Vambo said, I will sell Tron at 10 cents. So Vambo, you think Tron will go to 10 cents? We are at 4 cents right now. Do you really think Tron can go to 10 cents in this bear market? Just a question. I don't know. What do you think? Because I don't know if I see that right now. So Kebab said, you said the last time it will go down. Why is going up? Kebab, let me explain something to you. Right? When I said the market is in a bearish trend, right? And I'm looking for the market to go down. When I say I'm looking for the market to go down, doesn't mean that day that the market will go down. I'm not one of these other YouTubers that say, oh, tomorrow the market will be at such and such price. I don't do those things. So Kebab, when I say I'm looking for the market to continue to go down, that's what it means. I'm looking for the market to continue to go down. Doesn't mean it's going to go down tomorrow. Doesn't mean it's going to go down next week. It just means that I'm looking for the market to continue to go down. And you say the market is up, that's incorrect. The market is not up. These candles that you see right here, it's just pullback candles. That's how the market acts, So this is why most people in the crypto world get burned, and they don't understand what's going on, because they see one green candle and they say the market is up. But they don't realize that ever since February, we never passed 12,000. We never went to 13,000. We never went to 17,000. So how can you say the market is up and we at 6,000? The market is not up, Kebab. It's down. Just because you see a pullback doesn't mean that the market is up. And this is what I try to teach, my subscribers and the people that's new to this. Every time they see the market goes up, they think that the market is bullish. The market is not bullish. It's just a pullback. That's how the market works. If you look at the market going up, the trend, right? Look how the market is going up. It's going up. It pulled back, right? So would you consider this pullback the market going down? No, it's just a pullback. The market make a new high. The market pulled back. Do you consider this a bear trend? No, it's just a regular pullback. The market's going up, it pulled back. Market going up, pulled back. So you have to understand the market doesn't go down or up in a straight line. It has to pull back. So what you're seeing right now is a pullback. That's all you're seeing. Now, if it goes to 9,000 all the way to 10,000, then you could say the market looks like it's about to be bullish. We didn't even get to 7,000 yet, and people on YouTube is getting happy. Why would you get happy? And we didn't even reach 7,000 yet. Get happy when the market reached 9,000 or 10,000. That's when you're supposed to get happy. I mean 6,700. How are you gonna get happy at 6,700? Let's go back to the chat. Let's see what's going on. So Keith said, Hodl was my first, middle, and last name until I got your course. That's funny because a lot of a lot of people, trust me, a lot of people you know, was basically in the same situation. Oh man. Dom says, cracks me up when you say the favorite YouTuber. It's true, though, Dom. It's true, because if you go on YouTube right now, right, and you type in Bitcoin bullish, right, you will see these crazy headlines. People saying, yeah, Bitcoin going to the moon, Bitcoin going 50K by the end of 2018. So you have most people, they are brainwashed by the people that don't care about them. There's a lot of junk on the internet. There's a lot of junk on TV. It's just how the world works. That's why I always talk about the 80-20 rule. It's real, man. That 80-20 rule is real. That's how life works. The life works is always like that. So to find like real gold, if you really want to find gold, you have to look at what the 20% is doing. That's how you find gold, right? That's how you find gold. You can't find gold in here, because what most people is doing, the majority is pretty much always losing. They're always late. They always have excuses. They always follow people. And that's why the rich, keeps getting richer, because they know more than you. They are very good at lying to you, and you believe everything they say, right? And you have to understand what is good information and what's bad information. And if you want to learn how to read the chart, basically you would not call every pullback a bullish move. This is not a market going up. If we hit 9,000 or 95, then you can say, okay, the market looks like it's going up. Then I would say I will agree with you. I will agree with you. But we still at 67. We didn't even hit 7,000 yet. So, it is what it is. MK said, I'll be happy when it's back up to 19K. MK, that might take a long time. It might take a long time, MK. That 19K, man, trust me, that might be a long time. We'll see. Hit everybody that's in this stream right now. You can hit the like button. Definitely hit that like button. Ken said, Ben, you are my favorite YouTuber. But Ken, I'm not talking to you when I say that. I'm talking to the people that just watch me and probably watch millions of other YouTubers. Let me see, Leslie, what's going on? Let me see. Yeah, I was thinking about that, Dom. I was thinking about that. Discord. You say you like Electronium at 1 cent. Long term, a lot of money to be made buying ETN at 1 cent. I don't know. I know Ace. I'm not looking to buy anything right now. Exactly, people. Like Leslie says, smash the likes. Dom says smash the likes. Oh, okay, Peter. He said as much as I enjoy the charge getting late in Denmark. So I'm signing off. I'm signing out. Have a good day, evening. All right, man. See you later. Thanks for joining us, Peter. And shout out to Peter because you know, he's a cool guy. Shout out to Peter. So let's go back to the chat room. Exactly, MK. He said they need to stop listening to for things they want to hear. That's the problem with most people, right? Most people they want to feel good. So the 80%, right, the majority, they want to feel good. A lot of them are insecure, have a lot of inner problems. So when these YouTubers say things that they want to hear, you know, they flock to that. But the 20%, they don't care. They take criticism. They want to grow because they know that growing, in order to grow, you have to, you know, be honest with yourself. So my channel is not all about hype. I'm not going to hype you up. I'm going to give you tough love. I'm going to tell you probably things that you don't want to hear. But it's based on 10 years of experience. So, and I'm here to help people make money. So Hansen said, I have to sign out too. Late in Norway. Looking for your course tomorrow. Thanks, man. Appreciate it, Hansen. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks for your support. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for everything. Shout out to you, Hansen. Okay. The Tron. Well, right now, Tron is not going. I don't think Tron is going nowhere anytime soon. I don't think Ethereum, Litecoin. Did I look at Ethereum yet? Let's look at Ethereum. You have to understand, guys, what's going on behind the scenes. So Ethereum looks like it's trying to test this thing and break out. I'm not impressed though. The market is still bearish. So Ethereum is trying to break this channel right here. But, you know, I'm still not impressed. The volume is too low in the crypto world. That's telling me that the big dogs don't want to participate yet. Trust me, you will know when the big dogs participate. This volume will jump up like crazy. So that's telling me that big dogs don't really care too much what's going on. They are relaxing right now. And like I said, it's going to take time. We might not see sell-off this week. We'll see. We might see, if we do see sell-off, maybe by the end of this week, we'll see. But it takes time because lately Bitcoin has been, you know, slow. So don't think every single week is going to be a sell week. But I'm definitely looking to get into this soon. I want to see how, you know, how it acts in a couple of days. I know a couple of people in the chat room looking to short Bitcoin too. Hopefully we get that break that we want. So you said GE got booted out Dow Jones. When was this, Ace? You said GE got booted out of out of Dow Jones. You heard that today, Ace? Yo, Ken, you said you was about to buy some GE. So Ken, you buy stocks too, Ken? The stock market is too high. It's too high right now. I mean, we can. I don't know how far this thing can go. That's crazy. GE is out of the Dow Jones. That's crazy, man. Um, guys, you have to understand that a lot of things is going to happen. Like the market can't continue to go up forever. So that the stock market is definitely going to crash. We don't know when. It could be next year, you know, or a year or two. But that market has to go down. Okay, I hear you. I hear you, Ken. I hear you. So somebody asked me about, man. Somebody asked me about, what was the coin they asked me? I forgot what coin they asked me. Let's look at XRP right here. So XRP is struggling a little bit. We had this big up move, but it dropped all the way down. Let's look at the 4-hour XRP. So we had this big spike in the XRP and it dropped down. But we can actually, if buyers come in, we can actually go right back up. So, you know, we'll see. Now Bitcoin had this little pop. It's consolidating right now, so we'll see what's going to happen in maybe a day or two. But we do have this trend line right here. If it does continue to go up, we'll see what's going on around here. Because I definitely want to get in, man. And I know some of my subscribers want to get in too. So anybody in the chat room, thinks the market will is going up right now? This is the bottom and we're going to continue to go up. I want to hear anybody in the chat room think that this is the bottom and we are going to continue to go up. Please let me know. So you said bought Tron TRX at 07. You're down 30%. Do you think it will get up there anytime soon? 07? Let me see. Tron 07. I don't know, man. That's a very hard one. That's very hard. I don't know if I see it going to 07. It's a possibility, but you know, this market is sluggish. So we need another move up with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin moves up one more time, maybe it would go to 07. But I definitely feel your pain, man. So Hall, you think this is the bottom? Vojo, you said no one knows for sure. Yeah, I know, but a lot of people think, I'm just talking about your opinion. A lot of people think that this is the bottom. So A said, I don't think so. Ken says going down. Bears in control, I believe. Okay. So a lot of people saying the bears are in control. And I think so too. I stated my reasons. That's why I just want to see if someone said if this is the bottom, because for the people that's talking about this is the bottom, I just want to hear their reasons. You know, that's all I want to hear, their reasons why you think it's the bottom, because I don't want you to say, well, you know, my favorite YouTuber said it. He has 100K subscribers, so you know I had to believe him. You know, that's not a reason. I want you to, you know, state your reason. So so far nobody said they think that this is the bottom, which is kind of good. So I have some money to the short, the Dow and the S&P. You said when does what does, so MK, you trying to short the S&P? I don't know when that thing is gonna go down. So Hanson said, how far do I think the market will go down? I think Hanson, I think our first stop will be 44. But before we get to 44, I believe that we probably will hit maybe 55, 53. It might bounce up first. You know, so if we break this low, we might, you know, go to like 55 or something, 53. It might bounce up. And then when we bounce up, we might continue back down to 45, 44. But I wouldn't be surprised if it hit 3,000 or lower. What's going on, Ventur? Good to see you in the chat room. John E. Banks said manipulators gone on vacation with all these profits. Exactly, man. The big dogs is on vacation right now. They took a lot of people money, so that's why the market is slow. They're on vacation chilling. They probably come back in what, September, October. Let's see what's going on in the chat. Yeah, probably another year, a year or two, the stock market probably would crash, probably. So you said what bad coins do I think will get punished, or pushed out because of the bear market? Most of these coins, I don't know how, I don't know like which ones. I don't know, like, you know, which ones, but you know, if you go to CoinMarketCap, you hit next, pretty much anything that's maybe on the second page and after that, you know, most likely these guys are going bye-bye. And some of these coins on the first page is going bye-bye, but we'll see. I don't know exactly what coins are going by, but Tether looking suspect. I heard about Tether. We'll see. Oh yeah, somebody asked me about Dash, right? That's what it was. Somebody asked me about Dash. Dash used to be like 700 or something, right? Now it's like 261. My thing is freezing up. I don't know what's going on. Here we go. So let's back up. So Dash was, you know, on a nice little uptrend, and pretty much, you know, same thing. We had this trend line going on. It broke the trend line just for a little bit, and then it reversed right back down. So Dash is just pretty much like everyone else, looking weak and retracing like everyone else. Okay, let's go to the chat room. So Ace says long-term bullish for sure. Yeah, well, most of us is pretty much long-term bullish, Ace. You know, pretty much most of us is long-term bullish, but at the same time, we understand cycles. Once you understand cycles, then you understand that the market doesn't go up forever. It's healthy for the market to pull back like this. It's real healthy. So this is not a bad thing. The rich loves this because the rich, they can actually make money when the market is going down, and when the market, you know, basically creates a bottom, they could buy everything on sell and make money when the market is going up. So you know, this is a process. This is how the market works. You have to understand the cycles. You can't get mad. You just have to go along with the cycles. I don't control the market. You don't control the market. So we can't get mad about something that we can't control. We just have to go along with it. Let's go to the chat room. Yeah, no problem, Keith. Getting the weak hands out. Yep, of course. So you said exchange coins are some of the safest bet right now? John said that? I don't know. I don't know what's the safest bets. You know, this is still an unregulated market. So I don't know what's a safe bet. But, you know, you have Binance coin that's going up like crazy. It's bullish. And that's the only thing that's real bullish. I think something else was bullish. What is it? It was they said, okay, this had a little pop. S&M had a little pop, but it's not as bullish as Binance coin. So BNB is bullish, but like I said before in my last stream, you know, it's going up slow. So just keep that in mind. And we are in the channel while we're going up. So it has to break this channel to the upside, or if it doesn't, it could roll. It could easily roll over and go down. So that's pretty much it with Binance coin. Yeah, they pretty much getting the weak hands out. And for you guys that's new to the channel, another reason why, hold on, I see on the chart someone buying 100K Coke Dream Market right now. It will go up, trust me. Me guys, buy my course. You said you see someone that says what? I see someone want to buy 100K on a dream market. I don't know what you mean, Kebab. But anyway, if you are new to this live stream, the beauty of understanding how to read the charts and understanding the market cycles is you won't be losing money like, you know, like most people are. And like the stock market, right? We are in a crazy bull run. So when that thing pop, and because it will, like everything, anything that goes up, it goes down too. We want to have a recession. So the stock market is going to go down, but the overall economy is going to go down too. So a lot of people are going to get laid off. A lot of people are going to lose their jobs. So that's why when I you know, tell people on this stream, you know, try to at least have a side hustle or something on the side, because you just can't rely on your 9 to 5. And when this stock market pop, a lot of people are going to lose their jobs. And the beauty of learning how to trade both ways when the market is going up and going down is basically you have a business that's recession proof. So while people are losing money in their 401ks, when people are losing their job, people are getting laid off, people are losing money from their long-term investments in the stock market, I'm making money because I can actually go short. I know how to go short. So it doesn't matter if the market is going down. It doesn't matter if the market is going up. I still know that I make money, and that's what separates you from a professional and a non-professional. So you have to start to change the way you think, because if you don't, the recession will definitely affect you a lot, and you don't want that. So that's why I love the markets, because it will do. You can actually still make money if the economy is bad. So that's why it's a good skill to learn. And once you master this stuff, you can make a lot of money. So right now, this is a great example. We are in a bear market with the crypto market, and a lot of people are losing money. A lot of people are complaining. But if you know how to go short and go along with this market, you definitely wouldn't be complaining right now. And I definitely I want to have a long-term swing going on. Probably not going to risk that much on the long-term swing, but I believe this thing is going to go to at least 3K. So I might hold it to maybe 4K to 3K. So we'll see. Let's go to the chat and see what's going on. So you said you bought Binance coin at $8 and some at 13. That's what's up, Ken. You're making that money. Let me hit the ka-ching button for you, Ken. Let me hit that money button for you. Ken is making that money. He bought that Binance coin. You said a lot of people was putting the money in Binance coin instead of USDT. It's a possibility. Travis. O'Connor said, "Are you staking or mining?" No, not really. You said, "Have I ever considered?" No. I don't think that's. I mean, can I make a lot of money doing that? That's what I want to know. Can I make a lot of money doing mining? I don't think so. I mean, not that I know of. I could be wrong. I don't know. What's going on, official? So for the people that's joining my chat room, I have a 50% discount on my course. I don't have any sponsors. I don't have 100K followers. My channel is still small, so I don't have no sponsors at all. So if you want to support this channel, definitely get this. If you want to get this course to support this channel, Right now is at a 50% discount only on this live stream though. Once the live stream goes off, it's going right back to 210. My students is already making money from this course. It's teaching you how to make money when it go down and up. So something that you definitely want to check out, because right now a lot of people are losing money, and I can show you how to make money now. The same way I made 15 grand when the market was going down last week. The same patterns I teach you in this course. So if you want to check it out, support the channel. I'll put the link right now in the chat box. So check it out before I go off this live stream. So let's get back to the chat room. So O'Connor, yes, millions. So what do you mean you can make millions from mining? How much equipment do you need? I don't think it's that easy, O'Connor. I don't think it's that easy like you're saying. Keith Mitchell says support the channel and yourself with the course. Thanks a lot, Keith. Keith is one of the the guys that actually supported the channel and got the course. And so shout out to Keith. Yeah, like I said before, the O'Connor, I mean, I don't think it's that easy, O'Connor. Official said, your course helped me with my timing and making a little sum off of TRX right now. I just got in, figure out how to when to pull out. So Official is a person that got the course, and he's making money from this course right here that I'm giving you a discount. I should be charging you guys $400, but I'm trying to be nice with it and trying to help people out. So check it out. I copy and paste the link in the chat room, so people's making money already with this course. So it's not me talking about it, it's them. So yeah, Leslie, you said it costs a lot to mine. Of course, it's nothing. You said nothing is easy, but I mean, it's a lot of electric and equipment, right? I know nothing is easy, but I'm talking about the equipment wise. Don't you have to have like a big factory or something like that? I think back in the days it was easy to mine. Nowadays it's just, that's why I think McAfee sold his mining company, right? So I'm looking at this BTC chart. Hopefully this thing will roll over, man. Hopefully this thing will roll over. This thing is so slow, man. Goodness gracious. Slow is crazy, man. Hoping this thing can roll over and start seeing some bearish action. So slow right now. So a lot of people are talking about Bitcoin can't go to 6,000 because something about the miners. To me, that's BS. It's BS. You just have to look at the charts. The charts is basically telling you everything. Showing you everything. That's why I really don't listen to the news too much. The news is always trying to hype you up and all that stuff. The news, if you go to the news thing, they would say something about bullish. As a matter of fact, let's see. Let's see if I see any bullish articles. Tron spikes after blockchain acquires BitTorrent. Right, these news, man. $7K Bitcoin. So, you know, the news will basically hype things up, saying that things are looking bullish. And we know the real deal. We know that this is not a bull market. Crypto man, what indicators are you looking for to get back in? I haven't seen any candles showing their buyers buying behind it. Crypto man, what are you talking about? Looking to get back in? I'm not looking to buy, crypto man. I'm not looking to buy. Ken said a friend of mine has 30 computers mining Litecoin. He makes one Litecoin every 4 days. He got 30 computers? Goodness gracious. So he makes one Litecoin every 4 days. So let me see. Litecoin is at what? So he makes $98 every 4 days. That's what you're saying? That doesn't sound like a good deal to me. But that's just me. I don't know. And 30 computers, that's a lot, man. What do I see Tron in 2 years? Shoot, I wish I can tell you. Where I see Tron in 2 years. Right now, I really don't want to go that far. Really don't want to go that far in the future right now. I'm trying to, you know, have my brain focus on the short-term movement right now. So I'm not really going too far in the future. I want the bulls to step in, and then I can, you know, start saying things about certain companies. But other than that, right now I can't really say anything about Tron, Litecoin, none of these coins, because even 2 years from now, I don't even know if the bulls is going to come in. You know, this thing might take 3 years. Let's see what's going on in the chat. I'm about to get off probably like another 5 minutes. So you said if it wasn't profitable, people wouldn't be doing it. O'Connor, I heard people. That's just that's what I'm hearing. I hear a lot of people are losing money when they mining Bitcoin and stuff. That's what I'm hearing. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm hearing. That's why, you know, McAfee is selling his thing. Some people is just doing it for the love. They want cryptocurrency to survive. So I don't know. Like I said, I don't know. I know back in the days it was, you know, there was a lot of people was making money, but nowadays I don't think it's that easy. Exactly. Yeah, so guys, I'm about to get out of here. It's 8:38. For you guys that's looking at the replay, if you hit the speed button, you can basically, well, it's at the end of the thing anyway, so I'm quite sure you hit the speed button. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you tell a friend about the channel. Trying to hit 10K. We'll see what's going on. But I'm about to get off. Hopefully I would stream tomorrow, probably around 8:30 ish. Probably around 8:30 ish Eastern time. I live on the East Coast, So yes, you welcome Travis, you welcome Glenn. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming in. Crypto Man, Ken, Travis, O'Connor, Keith, everybody that's in the chat room, Leslie, Ebanks, official, everybody. I can't name everybody because, you know, I'll be here forever. But Cupcake, all these guys, MK, you know. So guys, thank you for your time. Glenn said thanks for making a course. Yeah, thanks a lot for supporting. Yeah, Dom, what's going on? Of course, shout out Dom. Guys, have a good night. If you don't have my course, check it out. The price will go up. It's a 50% discount. I will put the link in the description. I'm about to get some sleep. I'm thirsty right now, so I'll probably get some water first. But I definitely gotta answer some emails, and then probably, you know, get some rest. But guys, if you're gonna stay up all night, study the charts, study what you have, whatever material you have to study, so you can get better at this. Because like I said, my channel is deeper than crypto. I definitely want you guys to succeed. I want you guys to get at that stupid rat race. Or at least, if you want to stay in the rat race, at least increase your monthly income. So guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for coming in live stream. See you guys tomorrow, probably around 8:30 Eastern time. Good night, Sandy. All you guys, thanks for your time, and I'm pretty much out here, and see you tomorrow. See you guys.